Hummingbird cake is a moist, flavorful cake that originated in the southern United States. It typically combines bananas, pineapple, and spices with a rich cream cheese frosting. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients for the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon, 3 large eggs, beaten 1 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 ounces tin crushed pineapple, drain, save the juice, 2 cups ripe bananas, mashed about for medium bananas, 1 cup chopped walnuts or pecans optional, 1/2 cup shredded coconut optional for the cream cheese frosting, 8 ounces cream cheese, soften 1/2 cup unsalted butter, soften 4 cups powdered sugar, more if needed, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour to 9-inch round cake pans or line them with parchment paper. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. 3. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk the egg, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. 4. Add fruit and nuts. To the wet ingredients, stir in the drained crushed pineapple, mashed bananas, walnuts if using, and coconut if using. Mix well. 5. Combine wet and dry. Add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake dense. 6. Bake the cake. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared cake pan. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. 7. Cool the cake. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then turn them out onto wire racks to cool completely. 8. Prepare the frosting. While the cakes are cooling, make the cream cheese frosting. In a medium bowl, beat together the softened cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and beat until fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt, and mix until well combined. 9. Frost the cake. Once the cakes are completely cooled, place 1 layer on a serving plate and spread a generous amount of frosting over the top. Place the second layer on top and frost the entire cake with the remaining frosting. 10. Garnish optional. If desired, sprinkle the top of the cake with extra chopped nuts or shredded coconut. 11. Serve. Cut into slices and enjoy the rich, moist layers of this delicious cake. Tips: if you don't like pineapple or coconut, you can skip those ingredients, but they add a great texture and flavor to the cake. For extra flavor, you can also add 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger or allspice to the dry ingredients.